Here's the scenario. Multinational becomes aware of unauthorized access to its internal network when employees notice unusual activities and unauthorized transactions. The security team initiate an investigation discovering that a sophisticated hacker gained access through a phishing attack targeting employees with privileged access. The organization responds by isolating affected in systems, enhancing employee training on cybersecurity awareness, and implementing advanced intrusion detection system to prevent future breaches. They also collaborate with law enforcement to track down the responsible parties and take legal actions.
Findings of the investigation revealed that the sophisticated hacker exploited a vulnerability in an organization's cybersecurity defense by successfully executing a target phishing attack. The unauthorized access allowed the attacker to perform unauthorized transactions and engage in unusual activities within the internal network. The organization identifies specific points of compromise, isolates attack systems to prevent further damage, and reinforce security measures. Employee training is intensified to bolster cybersecurity awareness, and advanced intrusion detection systems are implemented to enhance real-time threat identification. Collaborating with law enforcement, the organization aims to trace and apprehend the responsible parties seeking remedies for the brands. Recommendation: in addition to the measures already taken, the organization should consider implementing multi-factor authentication (MFA) for employees with privileged access. MFA adds an extra layer of security, making it significantly more difficult for attackers to gain unauthorized entry even if login credentials are compromised. This added security measure can serve as effective safeguards against future phishing attacks or unauthorized access attempts, further fortifying the organization's cybersecurity posture.